Good morning, children. I welcome all of you to today's class. Let us start lesson 2, Understanding Windows. Children, your parents look after all the household responsibilities in such a way that you do not have to worry about them. It is because they run the house with a system. Suppose your parents are not at home and you have been given the responsibility to manage the house. Surely it will be a tough job for you. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. We learned operating system is the driver of a computer which makes it run. Without an operating system, a computer cannot work. Windows is an operating system. It is a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. The small labeled pictures are symbols present on the desktop are called icons. Look at this picture. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Icons are small images which are shortcuts to run applications and open files and folders. Each icon represents a specific function. Observe this picture, children. Some common icons on the desktops are here. My computer, my documents, recycle bin, Internet Explorer. Taskbar, the long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop computer screen is called the taskbar. It displays running programs or applications. The taskbar is divided into 4 parts: Start button, middle section, notification area, show desktop. The first one is Start button. It has the Start button on the left side and a clock on the right side. The right side of the taskbar is known as notification area. The middle sections of the bar shows buttons with a label for each open application. We can activate the application window by clicking on its button on the taskbar. Start button. It appears at the bottom left corner on the taskbar. When you click on the Start button, a list of programs appear which are available on the computer. This list is called the Start menu. The Start menu gives you quick access to documents, Windows applications, Windows Help and Support menu, and much more. To open the Start menu, bring the mouse pointer on the Start button and click on it, selecting and deselecting icon. First of all, selecting icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Now look here, children. Deselecting icon. To deselect an icon, click away from it. The icon will now be displayed in its original form, adjacent and non-adjacent items. First of all, selecting adjacent items. Left click on the first item to be selected. Hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Selecting non-adjacent items. Hold down the Control key. Click one by one on each of the items to be selected. This way, you can select the non-adjacent items. Opening a program. Children, if you want to open any program, click on the icon which you want to select and press the enter key. The application window will open. Another way, double click the left mouse button on the icon to be open it. Moving desktop icons. To move an icon from one place to another, follow these steps. First of all, place the pointer on the icon that you want to move. Press and hold down the left mouse button while you move the icon to a new place. This is called dragging. Release the mouse button after dragging the item to a new position. Now student, open page number 10. Previous lesson activity. Solve the crossword puzzle with the help of hints given below. First of all, we read hints. 1. I am a machine that can do various jobs. You know who am I? Computer. Yes. Second, I record your voice and other sounds into the computer. Who am I? Microphone. Third one, the result which we get on the screen is called output. Fourth one, I am a pointing device that has a ball on its top. Trackball. Yes. Fifth one, I play music stored in a computer. Speaker. Yes. You write all of you. Now open your page 9. Multiple choice question. The second question you look all of you. Dash are the two basic parts of a computer system. By mistake I done wrong answer. Now correct answer is both A and B. Dash are the two basic parts of a computer system, hardware and software. So answer C is the correct answer. Both A and B.